In project-based learning, PBL, students are encouraged to go beyond memorizing facts and instead apply knowledge to solve real-world problems creatively. One of the key elements in PBL is the ability to generate innovative ideas that can be transformed into meaningful projects. To achieve this, various thinking tools can be used to spark imagination, structure ideas, and allow learners to see issues from different perspectives. Among the many available techniques, brainstorming, mind mapping, and role storming are especially useful in helping to create, expand, and refine project ideas. In this task, we applied all three techniques to explore the theme of developing eco-friendly practices in schools. The first technique we used are brainstorming, which is a simple yet powerful method of producing as many ideas as possible in a short time. The focus of brainstorming is quantity rather than quality, because the goal is to let ideas flow freely without judgment. We begin by writing down every possible solution that came to mind in response to the challenge of making schools more eco-friendly. Some of the ideas included creating recycling stations in each classroom, building a compost bin for food waste in the canteen, organizing a No Plastic Day campaign, designing a vertical garden for the school wall, collecting rainwater for watering plants, and even installing solar panels for the computer lab. In total, more than 10 ideas were generated during this stage. What made brainstorming effective was its ability to push me past the obvious solutions and unlock more creative possibilities that I might not have thought of otherwise. Once we had a list of raw ideas, we moved on to mind mapping to organize and expand them. I placed the main theme, Eco-Friendly School Project, in the center of a page and created branches for categories such as waste management, energy, awareness, and nature. Under each branch, we added the specific ideas from the brainstorming stage. For example, compost bin and eco-bricks went under waste management, while solar panels and energy-saving posters were placed under energy. This visual structure allowed me to clearly see how ideas were connected, and it also helped me to identify opportunities for integration. For instance, the concept of a vertical garden could be linked with rainwater harvesting, forming one larger and more impact project. Mind mapping was therefore valuable because it turned a scattered list into an organized plan that highlighted connections between ideas. The third technique we used was role storming, which involves imagining how different people would approach the same problem. By shifting perspectives, we were able to come up with new and more practical ideas. As a student, we thought about introducing fun competitions such as Green Class of the Month. As a teacher, we considered integrating environmental awareness into classroom lessons. As a janitor, we realized the need for better recycling tools to make waste management more efficient. As a parent, we imagined donating reusable lunch containers to reduce single-use plastics. Finally, by role-playing nature itself, I saw the importance of planting more trees and reducing pollution. This exercise broadened my thinking and ensured that the solutions were inclusive and relevant to the whole school community. After applying all three techniques, we reflected on the list of ideas and evaluated them based on innovation, practicality, and impact. From the many options, we selected the idea of building a vertical garden with a rainwater harvesting system as the best solution. This idea stood out because it combines creativity and sustainability while also providing hands-on learning opportunities for students. The vertical garden would beautify the school, improve air quality, and provide shade, while the rainwater harvesting system would make the project more sustainable by reducing water usage. Additionally, it could be integrated into science lessons, art projects, and teamwork activities, making it an ideal fit for project-based learning. B. 10 creative solutions. Create a recycling station in every classroom. Build a compost bin for food waste in the canteen. Organize a No Plastic Day campaign. Make an eco-brick wall from plastic bottles. Design a vertical garden for the school wall. Collect rainwater to water plants. Energy-saving posters designed by students. Use solar panels to power computer labs. Upcycle old furniture into art projects. Eco-friendly reward system. Points for green acts. C. Best and most innovative idea. After considering all the ideas generated through brainstorming, mind mapping, and role storming, the most innovative and impact solution I selected was the creation of a vertical garden with a rainwater harvesting system. This idea works by utilizing a school wall or fence to build a structure where plants can grow vertically in layers using recycled bottles, wooden frames, or specially designed planters. The vertical arrangement saves space compared to a traditional garden, making it suitable even for schools with limited land. To ensure sustainability, the garden would be connected to a simple rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater collected from the school roof would be stored in a tank and then distributed through pipes or drip irrigation to water the plants. This combination not only reduces the school's reliance on tap water, but also demonstrates an eco-friendly way of reusing natural resources. The vertical garden system has several benefits that make it the best choice. Environmentally, it improves air quality, lowers the surrounding temperature, and adds greenery that reduces the urban heat effect. Educationally, it provides students with hands-on opportunities to learn about biology, ecology, water conservation, and sustainable design. Creatively, it allows students to design the garden layout, select plant types, and even decorate the garden frames with art. Socially, it encourages teamwork, as different classes or groups could take responsibility for maintaining specific sections of the garden. This sense of ownership helps students build responsibility and pride in their school environment. The reason this idea was chosen above others is because it combines innovation, feasibility, and long-term impact. While campaigns and posters raise awareness, the vertical garden is a visible and functional project that continues to benefit the school community over time. It is not only eco-friendly but also aesthetic and educational, making it the most suitable project for a project-based learning approach.